Don't be afraid of trying a bob hairstyle. Get past it by deciding to die trying. You're going to adore your new, improved appearance right away. Here are 50 great bob cuts for 2022. Representing a wide range of hair lengths, textures, and styles. Prepare to meet the one who will steal your heart. But before we reveal the 50 haircuts, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Like this video. And hit the bell notification to stay updated. Number 1. Short shaggy bob. Number 2. Short layered bob. Number 3. Messy bob haircut. Number 4. Natural gray curls. Number 5. Stacked bob haircut. Number 6. Chopped center parted bob. Number 7. Textured layered shag. Number 8. Bob for thick hair. Number 9. Cute loose bob. Number 10. Feathered bob. Number 11. Feathered bob with highlights. Number 12. Tousled platinum bob. Number 13. Sleek long layers. Number 14. Shaggy bob with curtain bangs. Number 15. Medium length inverted bob. Number 16. Patchy balayage bob. Number 17. Wavy shaggy lob. Number 18. Lob with uneven ends. Number 19. Sassy waves with shadow roots. Number 20. Thick bob with bangs. Number 21. Inverted bob shag. Number 22. Short ash blonde bob. Number 23. Classic A-line bob with highlights. Number 24. Disconnected rose gold bob. Number 25. Messy layered bob. Number 26. Textured inverted lob. Number 27. Bob crop with jagged bangs. Number 28. 2-layer inverted bob. Number 29. Tousled bob with chestnut baby light. Number 30. Black bob with root lift. Number 31. Long bob cut. Number 32. Shoulder length bob with front highlights. Number 33. Beige blonde bob hairstyle. Number 34. Messy blunt cut bob. Number 35. Cropped bob with bangs. Number 36. Modern stacked bob. Number 37. Chin length layered bob. Number 38. Short shaggy cut. Number 39. Rusty red bob. Number 40. Tousled wavy bob. Number 41. Black razored bob. Number 42. Mid-length wavy bob. Number 43. Shattered bob with bangs. Number 44. Classic jaw length bob. Number 45. Micro bob haircut. Number 46. Lob with shaggy layers. Number 47. Chin length waves. Number 48. Choppy bob. Number 49. Platinum messy waves. Number 50. Blonde choppy layers. We really hope you were able to find the perfect bob haircut for you. Don't be afraid to give it a go. You'll never know unless you give it a shot. Thanks for watching.